James Kaufman, World News Report today, December 30th, 2024. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Ladies and gentlemen, we found a pickup with a staging area for drone landings, and they all seem to be in hazmat suits around the drones. We're going to see several landing, I assume to be refilled with whatever they're spraying on us. Why do they have a staging area on the back of this pickup truck? You're going to see more than one drone land there in continuous operations. Why does he have what looks like an anti-radiation suit on? I don't know if it's hazmat or not. Who does this operator work for? I would love to know. This is going to be unbelievable. All right, here we go. It's beyond unbelievable, but here we go. This is what's been happening for weeks, if not a month now. Watch the drone. There's one taking off from the truck, another one waiting to land. This kind of blows everyone's theory out the window. A professional operation. And then the next drone lands to be either refueled or refilled. Look at this tank here. What's in that tank? It's the big question. What is he doing? This is crazy, folks. He's obviously going to refuel that thing with something. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look, took the old one out, put the new one in. Are those batteries? I don't know. Who is he doing this for? I don't know. This one's waiting for directions. This is beyond anything I could ever imagine. We're going to watch that again because this is it. All the answers to our questions. They're replacing batteries, and they seem to be, well, they seem to have some sort of solution in a tank next to it. If they're battery operated and not gas operated, what's in the tank? Should have never put the words up there. The drone's behind the words. He'll wait for his turn. Now, I believe he's putting a new battery in it, but what is this tank filled with? See the hoses? Are they spraying something on us? A lot of people, what does that jacket say? Can anyone zoom in on that jacket? I will leave the URL. We need to zoom in on that jacket. We will get one. If we get a company name, we'd be set. Look at him. I believe he's taking one battery out and putting another one in. Very heavy there. But then the other guy went to the solution or liquid area. I don't know why he took the camera off. What a Dumbo. We're going to go ahead and go back and zoom in on that jacket. See if we can figure out who's doing this. It's spraying. You see it spraying? So they're definitely spraying something on us. You'll see this gentleman walk over I can't read his jacket. This jackass is replacing the batteries, and this is the fluid that they're putting into these things. Can anyone make that jacket out? Look at him going right over to the fluid while this guy replaces the batteries. And this guy doesn't want to keep watching the scene. Hello? There went another one in the background if y'all didn't see it. He's putting the battery back in. Don't worry about that, John, you idiot. If he would have been just a little bit more competent, we might be able to figure out. I'm pretty sure this guy's replacing batteries, and this is what worries me here. The, solution that they're spraying. God bless. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible in Bizarro World. No company logos, and I couldn't read the back of the jacket.